Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Learn and Inspire. I am Hariram, mathematics teacher. So in the previous video we discussed exercise 2.2 4 problems. I hope you all might have understood. So if you have any doubts related to that exercise 2.2 4 problems, so you can message me on comment box. Now in this video we shall discuss the remaining problems of exercise 2.2. That is question number 5. So what is question number 5? If set A is equals to x such that x is a natural number. So this is a in set builder form. So we have to convert this set builder form into roster form. So you know how to convert in roster form. So roster form is nothing but the elements which are separated with the commas. So from this property we have to convert that into roster form. And what is set B? Set B is x such that x is an even natural numbers. Set C is equals to x such that x is an odd natural numbers. Set D is equals to x such that x is a prime number. So after writing all the sets, so we have to find A intersection B, A intersection C, A intersection D, B intersection C, B intersection D, and C intersection D. Okay, so first we have to write the set of this of 4 properties. Okay, so first one, set A is equals to x such that x is a natural number. So set A, so we write natural numbers. A is equals to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 so on. So we write up to 10. Okay, natural number starts from 1 to 10 so on. Now set B, what is set B? X such that x is an even natural numbers, that means even numbers. Even numbers start from 2 4 6 8 10 so on. So this is set B. Now set C is equals to x such that x is an odd natural numbers. So we write odd numbers 1 3 5 7 9 11 so on. Okay, next set D. D is equals to x such that x is a prime number. So prime numbers we write 2 3 5 7 11 so on. So these are prime numbers. So here we have set A, set B, set C, set D. From this we can find A intersection B, A intersection C, A intersection D, B intersection C, B intersection D, and C intersection D. So first we find A intersection B. So A intersection B. So intersection is nothing but common elements in first and second set. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 intersection. Set B, set B elements are 2 4 6 8 10. Okay, now what are the common elements in first and second set? So common elements are 2 4 6 8 10. 2 4 6 8 10. So I write 2 4 6 8 10 are common elements in set A and set B. So that is A intersection B. So next one, A intersection C. This first one, second one, A intersection C. So first we write set A elements 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 intersection. Set C elements are 1 3 5 7 9 11. Okay, now what are the common elements in first and second set? 1 3 5 7 9. So these are the common elements in first and second set, that is 1 3 5 7 9. So 5 elements are repeating in first and second set, okay, common elements. So this is second one. And third one, so we have to find A intersection D. So we write first set of elements 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 intersection D. So D is 2 3 5 7 11. Okay, so what are the common elements in first and second set? 2 3 5, 7. That is 2, 3, 5, 7 are the common elements in first set and second set. So 11 is not an element in set first set, so we cannot write that. Okay, next one. So fourth one I write here. What is fourth one? B intersection C. B intersection C equals to, so set B elements are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Intersection C, elements of C are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Now what are the common elements in first and second set? Common elements are, so you can see there are no common elements, so we write as a empty set. So no common elements in first and second set. No elements, so we can say that it is an empty set, or we can write 5. Okay, so B intersection C is a 5, empty set. Fifth one, so B intersection D. B intersection, what is B? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Intersection D. D is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So what are the common elements? So only 2. 2 is repeating in first and second set. So the common elements of two sets are only 1, that is 2. So next one, the last one, C intersection D. So set of C elements are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Intersection D, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Okay, so this is 1. Now what are the common elements? So 3, 3, 5, 7 and 11. That means 3, 5, 7, 11. So these are the common elements in first set and second set. Understood? So intersection, all the problems are based on intersection of sets. Intersection of sets are nothing but common elements in first and second set. So we have to identify the common elements in both the sets. Okay, so let's move on to the sixth question. Next, question number 6. If A is equals to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, set B is equals to 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, set C is equals to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, set D is equals to 5, 10, 15, 20. Now find A minus B, A minus C, A minus D, B minus A, C minus A, D minus A, B minus C, B minus D, C minus B and D minus B. So all these are from difference of sets. You can see minus symbol. All the 10 problems we have a minus. That means difference of sets. So as we have discussed how to find the difference of sets. So in the same way we will solve all these problems. So first given that A, B, C, D all these sets, and first one we have to find A minus B. A minus B is equals to, so what are the elements from A? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, minus set B elements are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So to find A minus B, so from the given two sets, first we can cancel the common elements. So first let us cancel all the common elements from first and second set. So what are the common elements? So 12 and 12. So only one element we can delete from two sets. Now what are the elements present in the first set? First set. So we write that as A minus B. Okay, the elements which are present in the first set, 15, 18, 21. Understood how to find difference of sets? So first we need to cancel the common elements in first and second set. Then what are the elements present in the first set? We represent it as A minus B. Second one, A minus C. A minus first set of elements 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, minus set C is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 equals to, so what are the common elements? First we can delete that 6, 6, next 12, 12, so that's it. So only two elements we can delete from both the sets. Now what are the elements present in the first set? 3, 9, 15, 18, 21. Okay, these are the elements present in the first set, so we consider this as a minus B. Okay, third one. So what is third one? A minus D. So set of elements A, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 minus D. Elements of D 5, 10, 15, 20. So what are the common elements? 15. So I cancel this 15. And the elements present in the first set 3, 6, 9, 12, 18, 21. Okay, the remaining elements which are present in the first set. So we write this as A minus D. Next, fourth one, B minus A. B minus A is equals to, so for a set of elements B 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 minus A 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. So first we cancel the common elements in first set and second set. So what are the common elements? 12, 12. So only one element we can cancel from both the sets. Now what are the elements present in the first set? The remaining elements 4, 8, 16, 20. So these are the remaining elements present in the first set. Okay, so this is B minus A. Next one is C minus A. Fifth one, C minus A. C minus A is equals to C 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 minus A. Set of A elements 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. So first we cancel the common elements 6, 6, 12, 12. So only two elements we can cancel from both the sets. Now what are the remaining elements present in the first set? Okay, 2, 4, 8, 10, 14, 16. So these are the remaining elements left in the first set. So this we can say C minus A. Okay, next question number 6. Sixth one, D minus A. So elements of D are 5, 10, 15, 20 minus set of A elements 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Now what are the common elements? 15, 15. Okay, now what are the remaining elements present in the first set? So D minus A is equals to the remaining elements in the first set 5, 10, 20. Okay, next one, B minus C. So what is the set B? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 minus C 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Okay, now common elements in first and second set 4, 4, 8, 8, 12, 12, 16, 16. Now what are the elements present in the first set? Remaining elements in the first set is only one element, that is a 20. So B minus C is equals to 20. The remaining elements in first set is 20. So we write as B minus C. Next one, eighth one, B minus D. B minus D. Set of B elements 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 minus 5, 10, 15, 20. So what are the common elements? 20, 20. We can cancel. And what are the remaining elements present in the first set? 4, 8, 12, 16 are the remaining elements present in the first set. So that is B minus D. Next, ninth one, C minus B. C minus B. So set of C elements 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 minus set B elements are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So what are the common elements? First we can cancel the common elements. 4, 4, 12, 12, 16, 16. Now what are the remaining elements present in the first set? Remaining elements 2, 6, 8, 10, 14. So these are the remaining elements present in the first set. Next, the last one, D minus B. D minus B is equals to set of D elements 5, 10, 15, 20 minus set B elements are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So what are the common elements? 20. So no other common elements. So what are the remaining elements present in the first set? First set elements 5, 10, 15. So these are the three elements present in the first set. So these are the problems from question number 6. So difference of sets. Okay, difference of sets. First we need to cancel the common elements in first and second set. Then the remaining elements present in the first set we represent as a difference of sets. Okay, so hope you have understood this problem. So I'll move on to the last question. Question number 7. State whether each of the following statements is true or false. Justify your answers. So we have to state whether the statement is true or false. So in that first question, set of elements 2, 3, 4, 5 and 3, 6. So 2, 3, 4, 5 and set B is equals to 3, 6. I take this as set A and set B are disjoint sets. So we have to check whether these two sets are disjoint sets or not. Disjoint sets are nothing but no common elements in first set and second set. No common elements. But in this example you can see 3 common elements are 3 and 3. So here we have a common element, so we cannot say that it is a, we can say that it is not a disjoint set, so it is a false. So disjoint sets are nothing but no common elements in first and second set, but we can see the common elements in first and second set, so it is not a disjoint set. Statement is false. Second one, set A is equals to A, E, I, O, U and set B is equals to A, B, C, D are disjoint sets. Can we identify common elements in first set and second set? Yes, you can see element A in first and second set. Okay, so here we have a common element, so we can say that it is not a disjoint set, so the statement is false. Next, third one, set A is equals to 2, 6, 10, 14. Set B is equals to 3, 7, 11, 15 are disjoint sets. Can we identify any common elements? So there are no common elements. So disjoint sets are nothing but no common elements in first set and second set. So then we can say that they are a disjoint set. So this statement is true because here there are no common elements. So the example for disjoint set is A is equals to 2, 6, 10, 14, B is equals to 3, 7, 11, 15. So no common elements in first and second set. Fourth one, set A is equals to 2, 6, 10. Set B is equals to 3, 7, 11 are disjoint sets. Can we identify any common elements? So there are no common elements in set A and set B. So we can say that they are a disjoint set. The statement is true. Okay. From this we have completed all the problems from exercise 2.2. So if you have any doubts, So related to this exercise, so you can message me on the comment box, so I'll explain you again. Okay, so please do like, share and subscribe my channel if you like this video. Thanks for watching.